Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about perfumes, and I need to first say, disclaimer, please put it here, that I am not a pro at perfumes. I'm just a perfume lover. I honestly don't know anything about notes, not anything. I'm not a pro at saying, oh, this perfume has this note, top note, middle note, end note. Sometimes I smell it, the note, sometimes I don't. So this is me just coming here to share some of my most loved perfume from my collection. I have quite a number of perfume bottles, and last year, for example, I had to caution myself in that I made sure that I didn't buy one single bottle. Did I? I actually didn't. So in that regard, I am so proud of myself, because perfume is one thing that I always want to buy. When I hear that there's a new collection and I trust the brand, I'll buy it. But last year I was able to not buy it, so yay, I'm proud. And this year I'm most likely going to do the same. So anyway, without further ado, let me show you some of the, out of all the perfumes that I have, these ones are like OG. Like, all my perfumes are nice, but these ones, they take the front seat, if I can put it that way. And anytime I wear them, I usually have like extra compliments, and that's on period. Yeah, so let's jump right in. I have, I think, about 6 bottles here. Some are really affordable, some are on the high end. I just decided to come and share so that maybe you can pick the ones that you feel like you'd prefer or you can afford. The first on the list is YSL. You guys, this perfume, YSL Libre, you guys can see that I finished it. Yeah, I think this is my second bottle. I think, I'm not sure, or third, I'm not sure, but even this one is almost done. This perfume is one of my most loved perfume. It smells so amazing. This is a really beautiful perfume. If you are new to perfumes and you don't want something that is too overpowering, but you want something that smells really nice and has a long lasting staying power, then YSL Libre is for you. I think I usually buy this around 90 to 100 euros, and this is about 100 ml or 90 ml bottle. Yeah, but this perfume, I'm definitely going. I wanted to buy a replacement for it in December, but because I said I wanted to buy any perfume, I didn't buy it. So I'm going to, once I exhaust this bottle, I'm going to buy, because this is different. This is me replacing a bottle that I really love. So YSL Libre is the first on this list. I've had this perfume, like I've had this YSL in my collection over and over again. I think the first time I got it was 2021, and since then I haven't looked back. I usually just refill. The other one that I really love and I've been using for, I think, 3 years now or thereabout, is Beguile by Oma Seduction. When this perfume came out, it came out with Passion, I think. I bought both perfumes, both Passion and Seduction, and this is owned by a YouTuber. She's based in Canada now. I am one person that I try my best to support the YouTubers that I watch, like Beguile by Oma, like Laifa, Dima. If they have something, I try to buy it, even if it's just once. But as God will have it, I usually just purchase more. So this is from a YouTuber called Beguile by Oma, and when this collection launched, this was her first launch, Seduction and Passion. I bought both of them. I liked Passion, but I loved Seduction more. This is my second or third bottle of the Seduction, and you guys can see I'm almost out. This is how much I love this perfume. And this, if you want a perfume on a budget, I think this retails for about 30 euros. Let me check. Yeah, so this retails for 35 pounds, and it's a 100 ml bottle. I think, yeah, it's a 100 ml bottle. That's really affordable. So if you cannot get the YSL Libre and you want a really good perfume that lasts you well and it smells nice, please get Seduction. Like I said, this is not my first bottle, this is not my second bottle. I think this is my third or fourth. At this point, I don't know. I just, once it runs out, I buy another one. And just so that you know that I'm not telling lies. See, I have a bottle waiting for me already. Yeah, so this is a new bottle and this is my old bottle. I have one waiting for me already once I finish this one. The other ones that I have is this one's from Zara. You guys, this perfume, I don't know, this perfume does something to me. I really, 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 really love it. I started using this perfume 2023 December, I think, or 2024 winter. I think 2024 January, right? 2026. So 2024 January was when I bought this perfume. I was sending some things home to my sisters, and I usually buy perfumes for my sisters, so I bought this perfume for them. And as a perfume whore that I am, I went to buy for them and obviously couldn't not buy for myself. So I bought one for myself, and you guys, the only mistake that I made was that I did not buy 5 bottles. And this perfume comes in their winter collection. I made another mistake. Last year it came back in December and I still didn't buy it. I think it's about 15 euros. This bottle is 90 ml. This thing is 15 euros or 20 euros or something. It's so affordable, but the smell, oh my god. The reason why I didn't buy it in December again was because I was saying that I didn't want to buy perfumes, but now it's out of stock and I have looked for, in fact, to show you guys how much I love this perfume, my husband wanted to get me some perfumes during Christmas, and he went to Zara because of how much I had talked about this perfume, because I just kept checking their websites throughout the year and I didn't see it. He didn't find it, it was out of stock, and he bought this one for me instead. I haven't used this is Way of Wonder Rose. I haven't used this, but it's about the same. I don't know what it smells like, but I just brought it to show you guys to show you how much I love this perfume. My husband went to look for it to gift me for Christmas, but it was out of stock, so he just said, let me just buy something close to it and then we'll keep looking for it. If you see, this perfume is Femme Winter from Zara. I think that's the name. Please add it to cart. Trust me, add it to cart. You will not regret it. It smells so beautifully. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. This perfume, yeah, that's another affordable perfume that I have on my list. So yeah, this is from Zara. So you can walk into any of your Zara stores and get it. Very closely, this perfume from Kayali. You guys might have known I did a video, I think it was last year, of my Kayali collection. I think I have about, guys, my son is awake. I think I have about 7 or 8 Kayali bottles of perfume. Most of them are 100 ml. And you guys, this Eden from Kayali, this particular scent is my favorite Kayali scent, hands down. I love all the pieces that I have from them, but you see this one, oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. It smells so, fun. It makes you smell very playful, very, no, this is really beautiful. I think this retails for about 100 euros for 100 ml. I'm not sure, or 100 and something. It's between 90 euros and 100 and something euros for a 100 ml bottle. But this perfume is beautiful. If you want to get a Kayali perfume and you're not sure where to start, but you want to smell like playful vanilla, this perfume is beautiful. I really, really love it. Really, really love it, and I recommend it. This one. Very closely is another perfume from Beguile by Oma. So I need to say that Beguile by Oma knows her onions. Like, I don't have all. I have all her perfumes up until last year. Like I said, I didn't buy any perfumes last year, but she had a new collection last year and I haven't gotten my hands on those. And she has perfume oils also launched last year. I haven't bought those. But you see this Goddess perfume, this particular perfume, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I think Seduction, I'm not even sure, but you guys, this Goddess is a perfume to have. Just smell like a goddess. So usually I pair this Goddess, I pair with lychee. Usually That's how I pair them together. This also retails for £46, so which is about 50 something euros, and you also get a 100 ml bottle. And this is Oud perfume. All these perfumes are Oud perfumes, so they last quite long. I have another one from Kayali here, and this is a 50 ml bottle, and this is vanilla oud. So I have realized that I love vanilla scent. I really love vanilla scent. So if you are not a vanilla lover, a lot of this perfume might not speak to you, but I really love vanilla, and this smells really good. And another one from Beguile by Oma. Like I said, she does knows her onions. So let me tell you a little story about this perfume, Mystique. When I got my hands on this, I used it, and at first, so I didn't really like it as much. As on the first spray, I loved all of these perfumes on first spray, all of them except Mystique. And I remember I gifted a friend of mine as well, and she also mentioned the same thing, that I think on first spray there's something. But having used it over and over and over again, I would say that it is a smell that you come to love. It's an acquired smell. Chicken. So I really like it. But I just need to say that, so that if you end up buying it, you don't get taken aback. Yeah, it was an acquired smell, but I have come to really love this perfume. I use it really well, and I enjoy it. It also retails for about £46 as well. So yeah, recommend. Okay, and last but not least is this perfume from Zara. You guys, I have two Zara perfumes here. This perfume, so I usually get like things from Zara, but perfumes, I've come to love their perfumes as well. So this is another one that I really love. There was a time that this Temptation and different, like some other these scents were really being raved about on the internet, but I tried them and I didn't like them. But you see this Immortal Vanilla, like I said, I've come to know that I love scents that have vanilla in them. This Immortal Vanilla is a scent to have. It's very nice. It's very girly. It has this again, I'm not a pro, but it's a really beautiful perfume. It smells really nice, and I have a spare already because this is done at this point, but I have a spare right here, so that I have a replacement. That's how much I love it. Oh yeah, I need to mention that this is 30 ml. It's not as big as the other ones, but I think this retails for maybe 15 euros or thereabout. I can't remember. I think about 15 euros. I can't remember. I just thought to share this with you in case you're out there, you're like me, who tries perfumes, or you don't have like enough, because I used to be like that as well. I didn't have enough leeway when it comes to finances to try out different perfumes. I have tried these ones for you, and I can recommend them to you. You guys can see that the prices range from a bit pricey to not so expensive, so you can pick from the range whichever one you think that you want to try. And if you're going to be trying anyone, please let me know in the comment section. I'd like to know. And if you do try them, I would let me know, or you've tried any of them, please let me know in the comment section. I would like to know what your thoughts are, and if you're going to be trying them, let me know which one you'll be trying. And yeah, I would really love to know. Okay, thank you so much again for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video in case you know someone who wants to try out some perfumes but they don't know where to start. This video is a good recommendation to them, so please share my video with them, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Jesus loves you. Bye.